Dear children, welcome to my fourth session of chapter 13, Python and CSV files. In the last session, you saw how to read data from CSV file into the Python program using the csv.reader function. In this session, we will see how to write data from Python program into a CSV file by using the csv.writer function. The syntax of csv.writer function is as follows: csv.writer within parentheses, the first parameter is the file object, comma, second parameter is delimiter, third parameter is format parameters. Delimiter and format parameters are optional. Let us see an example. Here I have a nested list which contains some data. Fruit, quantity is the first record. Apple, 12 is the second record. Mango, 8 is the third record. Banana, 7 is the fourth record. Each record is a list and all the records are together in another list. So this is a nested list. I want to write the contents of this list into sample.csv. For that, the Python program should be like this. First you import CSV. Open the CSV file sample.csv in write mode with open sample.csv within quotes, comma, w within quotes as f colon. At the end of the program, write f.close. Note that in the open function, I have used the file mode as w. W mode is for writing. After the import statement, you place the list which contains the data to be written into the CSV file. And inside the open function, rows is equal to csv.writer of f. Here f is the file object. And then rows dot write rows of list. In rows dot write rows of list, list is the list object which contains the data. After executing this program, when you open sample.csv in Notepad, you will see that the data in this list is written in the sample.csv file as follows. Next, I will show you some variations that can be applied to the csv.writer function. Suppose I want to write the contents of this list in sample.csv with custom delimiters. Custom delimiters means the fields are separated by some other character other than comma. For that, in the csv.writer function, you have to give the additional parameter delimiter is equal to pipe. Here I have chosen pipe as the custom delimiter. After executing this program, you open sample.csv in Notepad. You can observe that comma is replaced with pipe as the delimiter. Suppose I want to write the contents of this list into sample.csv with fields enclosed in double quotes. Then in the csv.writer function, you give this parameter called quoting. Quoting is equal to csv.quote_all. Quote all is in uppercase. Quoting is equal to csv.quote_all. Now, in the sample.csv notepad file, each field will be enclosed within double quotes. Next, I want to write the contents of this list into sample.csv with fields enclosed within any character of my choice. For this, I have to supply two parameters. One is quote char, another is quoting. since there are too many parameters now, I am registering a new dialect by writing CSV dot register underscore dialect within parenthesis D, where D is the name for the dialect, and the two parameters code char and quoting, I am mentioning it here in the register dialect. Code char is equal to hash, comma, quoting is equal to CSV dot quote all, which means I want to surround the fields with hash instead of double quotes, and I want each field to be enclosed with this code char. And here in the CSV.writer function, CSV.writer f comma, I have to mention the name of the dialect by giving the dialect parameter. Dialect is equal to D. Now the sample.csv file in Notepad will look like this. As you can see, each field is enclosed within hash because I have mentioned hash as the code char. Next, I want to write the contents of this list into sample.csv with blank lines between the records. To leave a blank line between the records, you have to use the line terminator parameter in the csv.writer function. csv.writer f comma line terminator is equal to new line. So here I have mentioned new line twice, \n twice, because if you mention once, each record will be in a separate line. Only when you mention new line twice, there will be a blank line in your CSV file. So when you open sample.csv, you can see that there is a blank line in between the records. In this session, you learnt about the csv.writer function of Python. With this, I end this session. Thank you, children.